Hi everyone, welcome back. I am Utpal Raj and in this video I will show you how to fix iCloud contacts not showing on iPhone. So sometimes your contacts are safely stored in iCloud but fail to appear on your iPhone. And this usually happens because iCloud contacts are disabled or maybe the wrong contacts are selected. So to fix this, first you need to open contacts or phone app on your iPhone. After this, on the phone app select contacts option and then select this arrow icon at top left corner of the screen. Now within this section, you can check all the iCloud saved contacts. So make sure to select all iCloud option or all contacts option if you have also saved your contacts to Gmail or anywhere else. Once you select this option, you will get all the iCloud contacts in your iPhone. But if it is still missing, then first open settings app on your iPhone. Now tap on your name at the top and then select iCloud option. Within this section, click on see all option right to saved to iCloud. Then scroll down and make sure you have enabled the toggle write to contacts. If it is disabled, then turn it on and select merge option. Now if it is already enabled, then it is most probably syncing problem. So first disable it, select keep on my iPhone. Now wait for a while like 5 minutes or 10 minutes, then restart your iPhone and turn it on again. So that's it. If this video helped you in any way, make sure to like it, share it and subscribe to this channel. Thanks for watching.